Hello beautiful people, in today's video I will be showing you how to glue lace frontal and sewing in the back, so stay tuned and keep on watching. Shy, why are you shy? Come on. Come on, talk to them. Welcome to your YouTube.
Hi, it's Angel. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay.
Please cut that out.
Do you see that is not easy? When you see people doing YouTube, that's what they are facing. Guys, subscribe to my channel and remember to press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay guys, what I'm doing now, I'm cutting the excess cap from the hairline away. And actually what I was doing previously, I was sewing the cap down into a hair so that when I cut the excess cap away from the hairline, it's not gonna lift the cap from the back. I find this method much more easier, sewing the lace frontal down to the head before gluing it down in the front. So you might use different type of method, but I find this method much more comfortable and easy for me. So I'm sewing the lace frontal down first, and after that I will be gluing the hairline. Now I'm now using isopropyl alcohol to clean all the edges, to remove any excess oil or excess dirt that might be preventing my glue to be sit properly on the skin. I'm trying to clean it off before applying the glue. And the glue I'm actually using is Ghost Bond. It can be, you can get it from Amazon. Okay guys, I'm applying this I don't know what is the name, how to call it. So I'm going to secure a hairline, leaving it for the entire time that I'll be sewing her hair in the back. All the remaining bundles I'll be sewing it down. So I left this I left it all till I finish sewing the back. But the thing is, I couldn't show you guys how I sew the back because the video was too long, and I only have 15 minutes to, that's the only minutes they allow me to upload. So I can only upload 15 minutes on YouTube at the moment. So I couldn't show you how I sew the back in. But this is after the lace frontal was glued down and it was dry. I didn't use any air dryer, so I let it dry itself while I was sewing the remaining bundle down. And it's already, I'm showing you how I style the frontal and everything. Usually, actually. Okay, and again, I need to speed everything up as it was too long. I couldn't put everything in 15 minutes, so I had to speed up some part of this video. So all I'm actually doing is just styling her hair, using mousse, using hot comb to press it down and slay her edges and create a baby hairline. And that's all really. So if you did enjoy this video, please thumbs up, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below, let me know your thoughts, let me know what you think about this video, and comment down below, let me know what sort of content you want me to be showing on my channel. And yeah, I really appreciate your comments. Okay, we're gonna see you next time. Bye. She's feeling herself.
This is what good hair does to you.